Hi. A MECHA preset can also be launched by scanning a QR code. On this web page, there is a list of QR codes that can be used to launch presets. When you scan one of these codes, MECHA looks for a preset whose name begins with the corresponding numeric code in column 1. If it finds such a preset, it launches it. Here are the steps you need to follow. Step 1. Creating presets, C2 users. Before using these codes in preset names, note that each of them represents a position or option in the OLED preset menu. Make sure it is empty first. For example, 025 and 026 are empty. Then, access the user interface and create a preset as usual. Check and change the preset settings, if necessary. You can also specify the focal length, and so on. Save the preset with the Save button and make sure you enter one of these numeric codes at the beginning of the preset name, for example, 025. Put a space after the code, then enter the actual name of the preset. You can also rename a preset. Select it from the presets list, then load it with the Load button. And click the Rename button. Then enter another code at the beginning of the preset name, as before. Avoid using the same code twice. Alternatively, C2 users can simply create presets using the OLED preset menu. There is no need to enter codes, as each preset has a code from 020 to 089 assigned by default, although it is not shown on the display. Here is the preset we have renamed earlier, as we are using a C2 controller. Step 1. Creating presets, C1 users. On the user interface, create a preset as usual. When saving or renaming the preset, enter the numeric code you want at the beginning of the preset name, just like C2 users. No other action is required, simply avoid using the same code twice. Step 2. Scanning QR codes, C1 and C2 users. Make sure the upper rail of your panoramic head is positioned as specified in the preset you want to launch, and MECHA knows that position. Make sure your phone is connected to MECHA's SSID first, then scan your code. You can scan either the code with the logo or the one without the logo on our web page. It is better to print the code you need so that you have it at hand. This is a QR code for the URL 192.168.81/do ? P equals 026, where 192.168.81 is the static IP address of MECHA. Thank you for watching.